Ngicela nenamba bonke olova bavelelwe. Olova bavelelwe. Hey sure bavelelwe. We gonna pick it up and share code. We don't die, we relax. Multiply no X. I see plus long, tapi cranks no cash. Boom boom, rest in peace, brown dash. Hlale nazo quite I feel emergence. Hlale nazo quite I feel emergence. Sure. Sure. I see it. Fuck it. Yeah. 298 loni gas ikhona la kuphekwa ama chips check 2.2 the daily beat labafana bakhona ukupheka ama hit everything you see on me is legit basound like bonke baphuma emelini should bona ba imitate abo jika nqa njalo abakhona ku drip I don't think ukhona ozofana no Linda Kize was one of the best to speed nowadays what is the point yokubifa cause bonke abom rap pen game yabi weak ngizamba khukhulela istyle jona boqhayila njoba enjwayela chera kusekhare ne hood man ngathi pension idliwa abadala I see, cabanga ukuthi ngiyadlala jo ayikho ifeature mahala boy yongekho blind badala jo yeah ngena ku Facebook omrap abaningi bangcela ama feature ngithi ke show me your songs akunanto ekhona nje upost ama picture ngithi akuyona into obeyifuna nje wena be ungalalela uteacher you should be working a job into yenza ngibone that's what my mama never said anything you want you can go get or the rings emotweni let me preach ngisesontweni in the name of the Father the Son and the Holy Spirit standards sonke yeah sonke yeah sonke Scottish on the rocks funa mat we need more saliva we counting the checks you know that your money will never reflect when on your weekend you never get paid I don't know but late yekela drip uzokoropa late I don't play with them niggas who know how to hate know how to hate